You're welcome to this video. Now we have scanned one IP address, which is our metasploit table in the previous video. Now what about if we have more than one host to scan? Let's see how we're going to do that. So I'm going to check for the IP address of my Windows 10, and I will say IP config, and that is a .131, and of course that of our metasploit table remains 130. But let's check that. As you can see here, that of our metasploit table remains .130. So let's go to Linux and use our Python port scanner to scan for both the metasploit table and the Windows 10 PC. So I'm going to say ls, and we have scanner and scanner 2. Remember, we're going to use scanner 2. So I'm going to recall. So this is the scanner 2. So I'm going to hit enter. Then it says enter IP addresses separated by comma. So let's put that of metasploit table first. 192.168.232.130, and I hit a comma. Then I put that of my Windows 10, 192.168.232.131, and that is for my Windows 10. So I'm going to hit enter. And do you see that? It arranged the scan result for each IP address or each host we imputed. So don't be scared of anything called programming in this time of the year, because AI has come to help us to achieve whatever we don't know how to achieve. I don't know Python programming, but since I know how to use AI, I now know how to do basic programming. So that is all for this video, and of course don't forget that you can twist your Python code, add more features to it, and ChatGPT will continue to update or generate a fresh Python script based on what you have added. So that's all for this video. I will see you on the next one.